Okay, my battery did die. So anyway, what I did with this strip, what makes it easier is you take the piece that you have for that, and then first you just glue it there, and then put it over the top, and then that way you just glue like the 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, then the middle sides. So that made that easy. And then I put the little piece there, but you know, you want to cut a long enough piece so it doesn't have those two seams showing. But plus, or you know, you can just cover it with something anyway. So with the top, what I wanted to do was this number. Take these two across that are across from each other and glue them here. These are all in the way. Oh, I cut these down. And I just cut, I didn't really measure. You can if you want to be more precise. So then just, let's see if this is too big. Yeah, this is too big. And right now I don't know where my other punch is. It's packed up somewhere. This should work. Let's see. Just want to make it even. Oh yeah, that works. And I have some brads here. You see this? Kind of out. Let's see. Hold on, let me fix my camera. Okay. Now, I hope you can see this. Sorry if I'm, you know, all in the way. But there's those. Then, hold on. Let's see. Let me figure this out. Okay, I finished it. You have to fiddle with it a lot, but so what I did anyway was just, you know, take these two ends, fold it over, poked a hole, and then put in the brad. And then I kept doing it under, poking the hole, put it on the brad, just so it kind of holds all these papers in place. Or an easier way, after I did this, I thought of it, would be to have these strips all the same size that you wanted it. Then at the top, say like this is the top. Here we go. And my phone's ringing. Then at the top, you just glue it all right here. And then do the other one, if hopefully you understand what I'm saying. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Maybe you can make one too, and then, you know, decorate it. I would decorate mine, but most of my stuff is packed up, so so I challenge you, sorry about the phone, to make your own. And I would like to see what you guys come up with. Put flowers or whatever on there. That'll be great. So anyway, have a good day. Bye bye.